Already we are discussing about equivalence relation. Now we are going to discuss about equivalence class. Okay, yeah? Let R be an equivalence relation in a set capital A. That is, set capital A is called equivalence relation. Ama. Equivalence relation means what, ma? That is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. That is capital R. Okay, yeah? Right. Then the set of all elements of capital A which are related to A. Okay, well, set of all elements of capital A are related to small a under the relation R. Okay, well, is called equivalence class determined by A. Is called equivalence class determined by A, and it is denoted by equivalence class of A. So equivalence class of A equals to B belongs to A such that A is related to B. Listen here. Equivalence class of A equals to B belongs to A such that A related to B. A related to B. This B is comes from capital A, and this A is also belongs to capital A. Okay, well, this A is also belongs to capital A, and B is also belongs to capital A. A is related with B. This is called what? Equivalence class of A. Okay, va? This B is not fixed, but this A is fixed. Okay, va? This fixed element is called equivalence class A. Okay, va? And this B is varying. Sometimes it becomes B, sometimes it becomes C, sometimes it becomes D. Okay, va? That is what are the elements are in A. We want to take simultaneously. Okay, va? That elements are related with a small a. Okay, va? A related to B, and this B is taken from where? Capital A, and our fixed element is considered by here equivalence class of A. This is the definition of equivalence class. This point is very important. Here itself R must be an equivalence relation, and we want to take small a from capital A. That is, we want to find one equivalence as element. No, that is also from where? Capital A only. Okay, right. Now we want to see worksheet problem 3. Okay, already we are given one worksheet about this topic. We want to see sum number 3. Okay, let R is an equivalence relation. Okay, here they are clearly given. This R is an equivalence relation. In the set capital A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are clearly given what is called A. Okay, and they are also define one relation. That relation is what? A comma B such that 2 divides A minus B. Okay, here R they are given very clearly. R equal to A comma B. This A comma B is considered by here 2 divides A minus B. That is, subtract A with B, that answer is divisible by 2. Write the equivalence class of 0. Write the equivalence class of 0. Okay, so we want to write the equivalence class of 0. First, I write the given one. That is what? Capital A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And R is defined by here A comma B such that 2 divides A minus B. Okay, now we move to our definition. B belongs to A such that A related to B. Here also I consider this like that. So B belongs to A. B belongs to A, 0 comma B. Here our fixed element is what, ma? 0 only, no? So 0 comma B. This B is each and every element of capital A. Okay, so 0 comma B belongs to R. So 0 comma B belongs to R means what is the definition of R? A minus B is divisible by 2. Okay, so 0 minus B, that divisible by what? 2. Okay, so our 2 divides 0 minus B is nothing but what is that? Minus B only, no? Right. So 2 divides minus B. 2 divides minus B. So just we are taking each and every element of A. Here itself first element is minus 1. Okay, that is 1. We are applying here means what we get? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1 divides 2. This is not possible. Okay, that is without remainder. So this is not considered as equivalence class of 0. Next we want to move 2. Okay, so here itself we are applying here. Minus 2 is divided by 2. Okay, so this is possible. So first of all, I write here equivalence class of 2 is 2 in the set, given set. Okay, right. Next I move 3. So 2 divides minus 3. This is impossible. So next we want to move 4. So 2 divides minus 4. This is okay. Okay, but 2 divides minus 4 because minus 4 is divisible by 2. So this is written by here. So 4. Okay, listen first. Here itself I write 0 also. Okay, 0 minus 0. What is the value for 0 minus 0? This is also 0, no? So 0 also divide by 2. So I include here 0 also. So 0 comma 2 comma 4 is the equivalence class of 0. So equivalence class of 0 is nothing but 0 comma 2 comma 4.